Hey there, welcome to a special episode of Tips and Tech Talk. Today, we're talking about drones. So as summer winds down, I want to talk about the top 4 things that you need to know as we head into the fall of 2019. Number 1, when did the DJI Phantom turn into Bigfoot? What do I mean? Well, you hear about sightings of them for sale. Oh, I saw it over here for sale. I saw it over there for sale. But you can never confirm that a new DJI Phantom 4 version 2 can be found. While a lot of people are purchasing the Mavic Pro 2 or maybe even the Mavic Air, you can no longer purchase the Phantom 4 Pro on their website. So that begs the question, is the Phantom series dead? Only time will tell. Rumor has it that they're going to start selling these again in September, but like I said, Bigfoot. Did you see it? Is it happening? I don't think it's happening. Now you can buy batteries. You can still get Phantom 4 Pro accessories on the DJI website, but right now, if you want a DJI Phantom 4 version 2 Pro or otherwise, you can't get it from the DJI's website. If you do find one for sale, I would recommend you buy it because it appears that at least the Phantom 4, at least for now, will be on the endangered drone species list. Could this be the end for the Phantom 4 series? What do you think? Leave a comment in the section below. Number 2, increased tariffs as a result of the US-China trade war is going to lead to a 15% increase in drones. So if you're planning on buying a drone or any other camera that's manufactured in China, you can expect to pay at least 15% more because of the tariffs due to that trade war between US and China. What do you think about that? Leave a comment about that in the section below. I'm curious to hear what you have to say about those 15% increases in price. It's always the consumer who gets hurt, right? Go figure. Number 3, the Lance system is now available for recreational drone pilots. So since July, the low altitude authorization notification capability, Lance, has been available to hobby pilots. So that means if you want to fly your drone in a controlled airspace, all you have to do is go to the Lance system and you can seek in real time permission to fly in that area. So no longer will you have to wait or write a letter to the FAA to get permission. In real time, you will be able to get authorization to fly in controlled airspaces. The Lance system has been available to UA Part 107 pilots for about over a year now, but now as of July, the Lance system is available for hobby pilots. So you might ask yourself, how can I get access to the Lance system? Well, the FAA recommends one of 3 apps that you can get from the App Store and download it to your smartphone. In no particular order, 1 is Kitty Hawk, 2 is UA Sidekick, and 3 is AirMap. Any one of those apps will give you the ability to use the Lance system and apply to fly your drone in a controlled airspace. And number 4, home delivery using drones is getting closer and closer and closer. As a matter of fact, 2 incidents in the last couple of months has led me to believe that this is going to happen before the end of the year. Number 1, the first FAA-approved beyond visual line of sight. In other words, they could take this drone beyond visual line of sight. Drone flight was conducted in Alaska over a 4-mile stretch along the transatlantic pipeline in Alaska. There was the first beyond line of sight FAA-approved flight. And that was followed up by the first home delivery in North Carolina. Food was delivered via a drone in, I think, Holly Springs, North Carolina. So it's happening in Alaska. Now they're doing it in North Carolina, although that flight wasn't, they had spotters along the way. Nevertheless, it was a home delivery with a drone. So it's here. It's coming. Are you ready? What do you say we put this Phantom 4 in the air? They're playing baseball over at Jimmy John's Field. Let's go get some shots of that. Hey there, if you like this video or if you learned something, smash that like button. Also share it with your friends. You can also see a lot more of my videos at my YouTube channel. Go there, subscribe. Also hit that bell notification button. You'll be notified when I make future videos. And of course, if you know someone, a business owner who can use videos to promote their business, send them my way. RonRobinsonStudios.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time. For one, I want to put my drone in the air and capture the drone delivering a drone that I purchased online. I want to see if I can make that happen. Can I make that happen? We'll see. I don't know when I'm going to be in the market for another drone. Fact is, I love this Phantom 4. I love this Phantom 4 so much that if you put it online again, DJI, I'm going to buy it. Don't get me wrong, I love my DJI Spark for the cost of it. The fact that it'll cost like $300 or $400 and the quality of video you get. But pound for pound, despite the fact that it has a $1,600 price tag, with all the bells and whistles on this Phantom 4, when you positively, absolutely got to fly around everybody in the room, except no substitute.